Hi, and welcome to 12 Software Design and Development, Developing a Solution Package, Lesson 2, Planning and Designing the Solution. As always, here are the dot points. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. Pause if you'd like to read them. Okay, so in this stage, there's 4 rough steps. We have project management, we have systems modeling, algorithm writing, and documentation. Project management is obviously an important task that takes place in every stage of the project. In this stage, project management tools are used to keep the project on track. Managers will be looking at Gantt charts and logbooks like they will on every other stage. Systems modeling. While some systems modeling could have occurred in the previous stage, this is where most of it occurs. Most, if not all of this, is completed using software. Systems modeling tools can include IPO charts, context diagrams, data flow diagrams, storyboards, structure charts, system flow charts, and data dictionaries. And in data dictionaries, it's really important that we do these things. We select appropriate data structures, we define files, we define their purpose, their contents, their organization. We define records, we define the required validation processes for our variables, and we identify standard or common modules or subroutines. The most important part of this stage is the writing of algorithms. They're generally created using software and they consist of either some form of pseudocode or a flowchart. And in this stage, appropriate test data is defined, not just for testing the algorithm, but also for testing the system when completed. Other important points include feedback. You need to make sure you obtain feedback from your client and users at regular intervals. This ensures the project remains something the client and users will want and use. It's important to communicate with representatives from all areas of the proposed system, such as people who feed data into the system or the people that take data out of the system, to ensure your system does its job. Feedback is the most important thing. If you make a system that you think is good but you don't ask anyone about it, then it's not going to be good because it's not coming from the people who are going to use the system. You need to make sure you get it from them. Prototypes are also useful because they can be used to model certain aspects of the system, most commonly user interface. And these enable you to get better feedback because users can touch and play and interact with it and say, yeah, this is good, no, I don't like this, etc. You need to consider software and hardware. What language will we use to build it? What software does it need to work with? What operating system does it need to run on, for instance? And hardware as well. What computers do they have? What computers will they need? Will they need to upgrade to run your software, etc. And you also obviously need to consider social and ethical issues in every stage of the project, so you need to do it here as well.